Finna get some more cucumbers in the mix. Might be late, but we throwing some cantaloupe in the mix. And we got the little organic soil ready. You see the mushrooms busting, they gonna die down tonight. But it's going down. Finna throw some jalapenos in the mix skis. You know the vibes. I'll be right back. Show y'all the little, okay. Gotta get some seeds in there. I only got one plant busted. Ain't nothing coming up out of these. I got a little onion, little lettuce, but they moving slow. We trying to, you feel me? We trying to move rapidly. And I want to plant some more peppers in here with this pepper, but I was thinking like, should I just wait to transplant some of these into there when they grow a little more? But I don't know. I would rather had too many than too little. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna bust them, put some more in here, and then we gonna roll like that. I ain't lie. Then I'm gonna throw some in here too. See the mushrooms growing in there, man? Them boys fragile, them boys. Need it. But yeah. So we finna just throw some more seeds out here, man. Get some more life going out here, man.